Hey guys, Brian Gaddis. I'm a Recreation Services Supervisor for Gale Fields. I want to go through some workouts that we have planned for this time. As we're all at shelter in place, we want to keep our social distance. So this is a workout we can do at home. It's known as the TABATA High Intensity Interval Training Workout. So TABATA is based on high intensity intervals where you do, in this instance, it's going to be 20 seconds working, 10 seconds break. What we're going to do is a couple of workouts, and we're going to start with a warm-up, okay? But explain it to you real quick. One is called the burpee, if you're familiar with that, and the other one is the jumping jack. I will show you the different variations of the burpee, where you're going to get down in a crouching position, put your hands on the ground, push your feet out, straight back, bring your feet in, stand up. Now, there's a few different variations, folks. Okay, get down, right foot out, left foot out, right foot in, left foot in. Stand up. Put your hands up if you want to, whatever you want to do. I'm going to show you that from the side. Down, right foot out, left foot out, back straight, right foot in, left foot in. Stand up, okay? Those are the two so far burpee variations. I got a few more. I have to jump, okay, with our hands up. All right, so all right, okay, so we have that. Obviously, that's a little tougher. You want to make sure you do this for 20 seconds, okay? The other one, we're going to jumping jack. Okay, keep on like that. A few different variations to it is putting your hands straight up, putting them out like this, putting them out like this, okay? We're just trying to get your blood flowing here, folks. Okay, so 20-second burpees for 20 seconds, 10-second break, burpees for 20 seconds, 10-second break, and jumping jacks, 20, 10-second break, 20, 10-second break. Everything over again. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and start with some warm-up. Okay, so first off, just move your feet, jog in place. Okay? A few more seconds. Then we're going to go to jump rope. And jump rope side to side. Just move your feet. Lateral position, side to side. It's kind of like you jump in rope. Like you're on the playground. Alright? Okay, now, last up, we're going to do high knees, okay? Bring your knees up, and then back down, okay? You want to make a right angle with your hips, okay? A few more seconds. All right. Okay, we're going to get started. Remember, we're going to do burpee for 20 seconds, 10-second break, 20 seconds again, 10-second break, then we're going to do jumping jacks, okay? So, we're going to do those 20 seconds, 10-second break, 20 seconds, and a 10-second break. We try to give y'all a few signals as to when the time is about to be up. But remember, don't exaggerate the 10-second break, okay? It's only a 4-minute workout in 8 parts, okay? So we'll be done in 4 minutes, all right? If everybody's ready, we're gonna go ahead and start the timer and go. Five seconds. And stop. Okay, give yourself a 10-second break. 5 more seconds. 3, 2, burpees and go. Make sure you're breathing, folks. 10 more seconds. 2, and stop. All right, take a break. Okay, so now we're finished with 2 of these. We're going to do jumping jacks. 2, 1, go. For 20 seconds. 10 seconds. 3, 2, and stop. All right, to the second break. Back at it in 3, 2, 1, jumping jacks. Ten more seconds. In 3, 2, and stop. All right, going back to burpees, okay? Give you a little lateral view. We got 3, 2, 1, go. Ten more seconds. Two seconds. And stop. Okay. Last round of burpees in 5 seconds. Last few breaths in. And go. Ten more seconds, folks. 4 seconds. And stop. Okay. Now we got jumping. 5 seconds. 2, 1, and go. Ten more seconds. And stop. Okay, last round. Take a few deep breaths. 3, 2, 1, jumping jacks, go. Ten seconds. And stop. All right, folks. Thanks for working out with me today. Keep tuning in to Garland Parks Recreation Cultural Arts Facebook for more workouts that you can do while you're at home. All right, guys. Later.